Mema Obibia Akwaba Eba juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Anamide Bremo. La General Hospital and Semi Jemesadi and Simbi Atuja Afahon. Na nona ye KT Kapitela Wariati Awade and Samatuja to be the Amanayan Kafo and Akufo Addo ne Naban. Na Ansanamide and Simbi Nabe Bremo. Message say so we subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. Would you be able to say over click a subscribe button na wabele notification. Where the video for be upload was so once can be. I feel we are now like video no on my thumbs up na fe wa share ma offer for so a nyabi share. I feel yam ko 7 la General Hospital Boakye Akufo Addo when we bubu yes hospital etuku ya wana ye wana dwen se ka wana besi fofo na na koye ensem bebre na o he story beto ontin Kyei Mensa Bonsu de honsem tuga na ye hwe story na ebeto ho do ye hwe story no na wo screen so or say funds for reconstruction of La General Hospital withheld by sponsors Kyei Mensa Bonsu na chese sika na seka sponsors in the battle na yitimisi La General Hospital no just Cecilia Dapaah one nya emphasize kanamba they did a workasa to story no so or say the majority leader in parliament or say Kyei Mensa Bonsu has blamed the delay in the reconstruction of the La General Hospital in Accra on the withholding of funds by the sponsors of the facility. Reacting to a statement made by the Member of Parliament for La Dadekotopon Rita Odole Soa, Kyei Mensa Bonsu said that the sponsors withheld the funds after Ghana entered into an engagement with the International Monetary Fund (IMF). Not just say Ghana yadi hunkobo yes IMF ho and a sponsor si sika se one de banan ka yitimidi si La General Hospital wa pe no tin tontan ye nyam fasa sika namba say one jai. Now to our story no so say Mr. Speaker, what has happened is that after the engagement with the IMF, funding from those sources that Parliament approved of, the funding has been withheld by the sponsors, Kyei Mensa Bonsu said. Ninyo jidaya MP no hoye la Dadekotopon MP no or the Hunsem Kotuja na no na Kyei Mensa Bonsu react ya watch them say IMF ye de honko dom yi eno na ma ye sponsors no sika se wana de ba nan ke timi esi La General Hospital no tintontan wana nyafa sa sika no ama. Now to us say Mr. Speaker, until the nation is given a clean bill of health by the IMF, it is going to be difficult for the funding to be released. This is why the government now wants to situate it within the context of Agenda 111. And that will mean that the facility will have to be scaled down a bit. Not just say the Akwa because of SK and Timbanintina. Buy like said yet or the Bakaye Agenda 111. Nakoyan Simbri. Now, Sansa able to Gano KT Capitela or react to Sasson to be a money Kyei Mensa Bonsu any the president. Another Akufo Addo and then Cranfono or Yao or the one of the SO Amawon. Now, yes, Semrano and Tentemara inti Kevitila ne Sema Wode Atuga Efa Sasumwe inti KT.
Story didn't you say yes say. All right. Story now about yes say. Funds for reconstruction of La General Hospital withheld by sponsors. Osa Kyei Mensa Bonsu free swami. Na swami na ewo ho no Osa Kyei Mensa Bonsu watra parliament eko 40 years. Osa Kyei Mensa Bonsu entumi fa koraba enko swami. Ade a wetuma yama swami fo no se we si ejanan bia ewo abronsan so. Osa Kyei Mensa Bonsu akasa of parliament. Osa La General Hospital no makobu atu ogu no. De entumi ma omunsi hospital ni nyina ne se. Eye nipa bia wo so mo ma yesika ne sa nipa no o wan fa sika na amaye enkwasiafo aban. Nana Duncan Williams, Professor Jesse, ebia ne kan yo. O classmates, o colleagues abebu hospital at Togu. Your people need health care. Wabebu hospital at Togu. 2023 ne obi ebusa ne se hospital no. omo nsi ni back a omo say na omo twen sika bi afiri nipa bi ho na nipa na omo yes omo dem sika bi hye no omo say omo fo musika na sika nye ready na obu hospital egu kwasiafo uni veranda na okoto adwe uni sika na da ho. Healthcare is very important. It's something that you don't procrastinate about. It's something that you don't wait on. It's something that emergency. Time na ubu hospital no the same time here to block. Na uni sika da ho na ubedi aban mu no oba ya wo say health facility a ema nipa na apomuden no sebio na esiwo kra na se sebio ehon te kra na ema nipa apomuden na serve nipa ni bi. Kolebu aitiwoi konfonoche there are so many things to be done on them but they even though munye no eda ho service nipa. Na u colleagues Mr. Jesse eba power no a whole general hospital omo bubu atogu ema ene Kyei Mensa Bonsu ka kire se enkranfo ne ntiase se enya de omo benye sikesi hospital na momo ono Kyei Mensa Bonsu onsi hospital Kumasi o Kyei Mensa Bonsu oba eswame no anye o Kyei Mensa Bonsu onsi chip compound Kumasi o Kyei Mensa Bonsu onsi district hospital o MPP for onsi one regional hospital in Ghana and so a general hospital atogu and the parliament be catch them say they don't have the funds. Now them there yawa say we mu. Now watch this news item. If you are metro adebi ore kura be ho.
Let's continue with the rest of our stories. And some members of the Health Committee of Parliament say the majority leader's comments that sponsors for the General Hospital reconstruction have withheld the funds are contradictory to that of the Health Minister. A member on the committee, Dr. Sebastian Sandari, says Parliament will only take the minister's word.
It looks like residents of La and its environs will have to wait a little longer or probably forget about the reconstruction of their hospital, which was demolished somewhere July 2020. Now, yesterday, the majority leader in Parliament, Kyei Mensa Bonsu, indicated that funds that have been secured from sponsors have been withheld because Ghana went to the IMF. But the residents here are complaining the struggles they go through to access healthcare.
This facility was serving the whole community, Labadi, and the suburb areas like Owusu, Nungwa, and even some part of Laboni. And if something like this is being demolished without any alternative, then we are all in for the doom.
We're badly hurt. Talking about the pregnant women, there's that, the children and all that. You have to travel long distances, either to a place hospital, Senate Hospital, or Lekman, which is very far away here.
Some residents want the government to hand over the land so they can mobilize resources to construct the hospital.
Government should just lay its hands off the land and leave the land to the La people. We are going to engage in a self-help project to construct the hospital for ourselves. And we have a well laid down plan. I'm talking about the coalition, which we have discussed with our town folks. They are ready and willing to support.
Meanwhile, some members of the Health Committee of Parliament say they cannot take the majority leader for his word, adding that the Health Minister has been summoned to brief the House on the matter.
We have about 2 or 3 government officials giving contradictory statements on that. The Minister of Health who says that it's because contractors were demanding extra funding and therefore they had to mobilize. But they assured that they were ready to begin the construction of the hospital. Then the presidential advisor on health also stated that they had finished all necessary negotiations and the funding was ready to start the project. Then yesterday, the majority leader also stated that it's due to IMF conditionality. So the question asks, who is telling us the truth?
Dr. Sebastian Sandari wonders why the government would demolish the hospital in the first place when it was not ready to commence and complete the new one.
Government has not placed priority on the General Hospital project, which is unfortunate. The people are suffering. They have the right to access quality healthcare, and we think that.
Credit to CV3 for the reports. Enti abaya betnaso onwa wensi hospital. Chip compound where wensi bi. District hospital wensi bi. Regional hospital don't go there. Abana say general hospital atogu. Na o yen kran ni won kran. Na o ka chem so yen pipi ni a we Jimmy for we Jimmy. Wan kasa abrabọ na wutim no ntiase. Yare bo wonne ubewu. Se wo yan kranni na nde o ti Ghana ti Accra se me wo Kwabena meto MPP wo yo twen we Jimmy. We nya abanya enya party edi ekire. This MPP is just a lost cause. It's one of the most foolish entities I've ever seen. Sika na ho. Wobu hospital atogu. Waso went to NCB. Into at this point, se nipa no rise up. Now so omoko after the Ministry of Health. Are they wrong? The youth in the Greater Accra region, omo rise up. No omoko after the Ministry of Health. No mkutreja tuma. Are they wrong? Because they are paying taxes. And the omo yirinyama, where are they going to go and deliver? And the omoba yarea, where are they going to go and get healthcare? And someone can say yare boma, where are they going to go? It is the youth of Greater Accra region that Akoto pon for Soriano pa. Now I'm call the ministries and our Ministry of Health. No mutreja tum. No because say we need action. We need something to happen. We want you people to build us our hospital back. Obeka somaya boniana. Are you going to say they are ruthless young people? Anytime because say we en krani na Ghana. Now that what Accra. Now because say me MPP ni we Jimmy e bulu or bulu cho. Me say we en krani ti Accra. Na ya bebu hospital atogu. Na and the other way me MPP ni and ye beto am adwasafo enye ne kurom ni nkran wo. Adwasafo onfri nkran wo. Adwasafo jantra no bebo won nkran wo. Adwasafo ni kurom nya nkran wo. Enti oti eye Kwabena tenkran oti dade kotopon na wo ye me MPP ni me nkran ni a ebulu chon esabodenche ebulu we agibifo. Because some kwasiade we MPP will not go to Ashanti region. Hospital na esuwo na ehwe dipa no onko buntungu. Abra ontumintia. Abra ontuminsi. MPP will not do that if you say MPP for who Asante for a chance and crime for Jimmy. And Asante for you cannot blame them. If you say omono, they will not allow you to break down their hospital. Abra unye day unsi bi mo omo. Until we are crying, you na crying. Many a friend will go boy. Many a friend Henry Cote. Many a me where Jimmy because you don't even understand why are we young crying. Oh you hini one crying. Now say and the MPP aboja no about to powder kotenase say me yen crying hini and na me de me na me hwe haso me na me yo odikuro me na me ye den enti MPP abaya frame me no akotenase abra uni hospital you are useless. I'm telling you. You are useless because nipa na bebubu wa yare sabia togu. He does not care about your health. He does not care where your wife will end up, where your kids will end up. One kasa where you end up. Nipa ne bua togu wen sibia ma oda hu di wose meto amano. We Jimmy e bulu. Now you know what hurts in all this. Dear ya e wo mun say, the government is not able to build. The government is destroying.
Yo, it for because you see you so and our no say we can subscribe ya message say over subscribe no like it na watch a video no. Also betimi akire wadwen afa some way nyina ho e wo comment box di mo beti menka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.